So now let's head over to Google Scholar. Google Scholar is one of the most popular indexing tools for searching researches. So let's head over to Google Scholar. We would like to search on our Chrome or your browser. It's scholar.google.com. Now, for all your searching needs pertaining to researches, Google Scholar most likely has that. What's unique about Google Scholar is that it indexes every journal entries published on the internet. You have very similar search engine, but Google Scholar is focused more on research journals. For example, let's try to search for student online learning. Now you will be having this interface for the student online learning. So you have here your research results, and you can have there this link, ResearchGate Academia. Notice it's a different website, but Google Scholar indexed it for you. So you're actually searching for multiple sources in one search engine. Now, if you want to have relevant articles, you could opt for choosing since 2016 so that you can have 4 years of relevant research. For you to not be confused about Google patents, if you don't want to have patents, especially if you're not developing something, you would opt for unchecking include patents so that your results will be purely based on research journals. So what I would typically do is to uncheck include patents so that my results will be purely on the research. As you can see, there's also related searches that you would want to visit. Clicking since 2016, I will have updated resources for what I am looking for. So let's try to look on this engagement matters in the online learning environment. So we're going to click, we will be taken to another website. So do not be confused with that. This will no longer be Google Scholar, but you can always go back there, or what I would do is to open a link in new tab so that you would avoid missing these search results. So this is the new website. You try to look into it. This is a journal without its full content. So this would depend on the article you're actually opening, if it's available for free or not. Let me try to download the full text if it's available. Okay, so it's available, so lucky for you. It seems that the results was published for free. So that's good. What about this one? From ResearchGate this time. Open link in new tab. Here you go. You have the Springer link, and this is for sale, that to say. So you have no access for the complete article. You will not be able to see the result of the study. So what you would do is to use the next tools I would be presenting later on. For example, abstract was enough for you and you want to cite, just like Philippine e-journals a while ago, there's a citation generator. How would I cite this particular article? Here you can copy this one. This is how you do it on Springer link. But what about on the other sites? To make it simpler, use the tools provided by Google Scholar. If you try to look into the article, there's these buttons underneath. There's a star if you want to star or you want to save this one. There you can also see cite, a quote, double quote. Let me click that one later. There's also the number of times it was cited, and there are 10 versions. Now, if you head over to this double quote, we will be seeing this menu. So this pop-up menu actually is your source. So you have there the APA. You can copy this and put this on your research. That would be far more easier as compared to going to those sites presented a while ago and look for the citation, because some sites would not give you the citation form. So that would be a practice if you really want to have a concise referencing using Google Scholar. So that's about Google Scholar.